This is a teacher preparation program, so our graduates are being trained to work in classrooms and settings for individuals with exceptional learning needs. It's not a set classroom. Special education is a service, so that the education happens in numerous settings and sometimes numerous settings across one day. It's a field where there's, every child brings a new question, so it's going to be something different.
You work with a lot of interesting people, you meet a lot of wonderful students. I love my job, and I would definitely recommend it to approach special education and find that as a career.
Our major is very field-based, so that each semester the students are in the major, they're in a linked field experience. Our program is designed, each course designed linked with the other, and then there's a hierarchy across the semesters. So students begin in a weekly observational setting, so the time that they're in the schools increases and the responsibilities increase each semester.
It's those in-school experiences and in-family experiences and the internships that Penn State provided me that, when you're in the classroom, it's much different than, when you're sitting in a lecture hall or, a small class on campus. So it's that real-world experience that I was given.
Many nationally known faculty members in our program, and one of the things that we value is that all of our faculty teach undergraduate classes, and we have faculty advising. Our program is geared for teaching, but certainly special educators work in fields other than the classroom. For example, early intervention, which is an area of interest of mine, as well as working transition with adults and job coaching, beyond school years. So you have a tremendous range within the school-age population of just the kinds of children and classrooms where you may choose to work, as well as the age spectrum. So the opportunities are vast.
Teaching in a public school as well as a private school is, primarily what you do as a special ed teacher, but you can, work in the homes, you can be a behavior specialist. Working in special ed, it's not a whole lot of progress every day, but when you make those small increases in behavior or academics, you celebrate those small progresses.